Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, I hope all of you are very good. Some of you requested me to make a video based on your different chapters and exercises. That is why I just inspired to make these videos. Okay, if you like more, I will try my level best to make some other videos. Okay, so let's see. Today I am going to try to explain. It depends on chapter 1. Okay, which is pattern. Okay, so let's see. So this is chapter 1, and chapter is pattern. Okay, first you know that how I'm explaining the chapter. I'm always try to explain the name of the chapter and what is the relations between the whole chapters and name of the chapters. Name of a chapter, the gist things. Okay, so let's see what is pattern, and first I will just spend 1 or 2 minutes based on the pattern. Okay, so first I am writing the definition of the pattern. Okay, so what is pattern? Pattern is a well decorated design which is repeat in a certain manner, Okay, this is pattern. And what is meaning of the pattern? This is the definition of the pattern. Okay, pattern, for example, when we watch this new modern buildings and different kinds of shapes we watch. Okay, and look at that, one after one after level, it's looking like same, and this nice design, it's also one kind of pattern. Okay, sometimes we have seen in the numerical numbers and different kinds of design is different pattern is followed. Okay, and one important thing is that pattern always just is repeated. One thing in certain way, it's repeated way. Okay, and you can say what the design or what the pattern or what the rules it follows. If you can't say in any way, if you can't say it follows any rules, it is not a pattern. So pattern always follow a certain rules or certain design or certain okay, let's see some examples I will give you here. Okay, so look at that. For example, pattern is normally 2 types. Okay, is first thing is numerical pattern, okay, which is related to numbers, numerical pattern. And second thing is the pattern related to design pattern. Okay, design pattern. Numerical pattern is related to different kinds of number, and design pattern is related to different kinds of shapes, different kinds of structure. Okay, so if we start to discuss in numerical design, okay, different kinds of numerical relations also. And one important thing is this numerical pattern or design pattern. It's not a what kind of pattern. This pattern, important thing for the pattern related to one number with another number is comma sign. Okay, so all the time just keep in mind this pattern always related to comma sign. Okay, pattern always be with comma sign. comma sign. Okay, for example, this is the comma sign. Okay, not any kinds of operational sign. So sometimes maybe based on the definition of pattern, you will face one or two questions. Okay, I will try to explain whole chapters within very short time. I think within 1 hour I will try. Okay, if you watch it with patience, I think all of you will understood very well. Okay, so different kinds of numerical pattern I will see it. Okay, so first thing is that this pattern with natural number. This is numerical pattern with natural number, pattern with natural number, pattern with natural number. So first thing is what is the natural number. I think all of you understood what is natural number. If you don't understand what is natural number, even you won't understand what is pattern with natural number. Okay, so what is natural number? Let me explain just few seconds what is natural number. You know that all of you know that this is number line, okay, and this is the 0, and all kinds of positive numbers in right side of the 0, and all kinds of negative number is back side of the 0. So here 1, here 2, 3, and dot dot, and here -1, here -2, and so on. Okay, so all positive numbers which start from all positive integers number, not a fraction. For example, 1.2, 2.3, 5.1 is not included. All numbers, all positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all positive natural number. Okay, this is called natural number. All positive integer numbers is called natural number. That means this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. All these numbers are called natural number. Okay, I hope all of you understood. So this is natural number. So pattern with natural number. Already we know that natural number. So in the natural number, first thing is that we have to know in your book. First thing they explain what is prime number. So we have to know what is prime number. Okay. So let us discuss about what is prime number. First thing we are going to just know. First thing is that what is prime number. Prime number. Okay, where from it's come? Look at that, pattern with natural number. So prime number comes from natural number. Okay, so what is prime number? Prime number, first thing is that what is the definition of prime number? Prime number is the number which is divisible by 1 in itself. So 1 in itself. For example, one number which is divided only 1 and by itself, that means that the number which is divided by that number, it is called prime number. That means the prime number has two factors. Prime number has two factors. So prime number, the number which is divisible by 1 in itself, 1 and itself. Okay, second thing is that prime number has two factors. Okay, prime number has two factors. For example, look at here. If you write here natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 10 numbers you have written. So 1 has only 1 is divisible by 1, it's okay, but prime number has two factors, so it has only one factor, so it is not a prime number. So 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So look at that here, 4 is divisible by 1, 2, and 4, so it is also not a prime number. This one is prime number, this one is not a prime number, this one is prime number, this one is not, this one is not, this one is not. Okay, I hope all of you understood what is prime number. So now I am going to find it out, how to find the prime number. Okay, how to find the prime number. Okay, just I am going to find, for example, I am going to write here 1 to 50, how to find out the prime number. Okay, so look at that. I am writing here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So look at that here. Here is 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 and 30. I am not writing all others number. You can write up to 100. It's okay. So look at that. 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor. It hasn't two factors. So some other explanations also have, but only important explanations is prime number must have prime number. Prime number has two factors. Okay, so it has only one factor. So 2 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number. So look at that here. 2 is a prime number and its multiple is not a prime number. So this one is not a prime number. Its multiple is not a prime. So directly you can just make it cross. It is not a prime number. Okay, it is not a prime number. Directly you can cross it. Very simple, very easy. So look at that. There's lots of number gone. It's not a prime number. So look at 3 is a prime number. So its multiple, for example, 3 multiple 2 is 6, is not a prime number. 3 multiple 3, it's 9, is not a prime number. So 3 is a prime number and its multiple, for example 9 here, it's not a prime number. 21 is not a prime number. Or is 21 is not a prime number. Or 27 is not a prime number. Okay, and okay, 15 also not a prime number. And okay, so look at that. 5 is a prime number and its multiple is not a prime number. So 5, we can take 5 prime number, and 25 15 is not a prime number. Okay, 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number and its multiple is not a prime number. Okay, so look at that. Here is no multiple. 14 also gone. So here look at that. 1 2 3 4. Here is four numbers. Here is 1 2 3 and 4. Here is 4 numbers. It's a prime number. Here is only 2. So 23 and 29 is 2. I can write all other numbers also up to 100 and easily find it out which one is the prime number, which one is not. Okay, I think already you got the idea how to find the prime numbers. Okay, in the questions, especially in MCQ questions, you can ask, look at that, 20 to 30, how many prime numbers in 20 to 30, or how many prime numbers in 20 to 40. You can write just only okay, you can write just only look like that. For example, you have asked the 70 to 80. So 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. Okay, so look at that here. This one is divisible by 2, so this one is gone, this one is gone, this one is gone, this one, all even number is gone first. Okay, so number 3, look at that here. Is it divisible by 3? No. Okay, so is it divisible by 3? No. So is it divisible by 3? 5 is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 7. Okay, so it is gone. So look at the 71, 70, 73 here and 79. I think how many numbers here? Only 3. 71, 73 and 79. So only 3 prime numbers here. 3 prime. Okay, only 3 prime numbers here. Okay, so you can try this way. So how to find the prime numbers. So I think already all of you understood how to find the prime numbers, and based on prime numbers I think you will face at least one question. Okay, let me go to next topic. Okay, after prime numbers we have to go to so prime number gone, determine the particular number from a list. Okay, so you will just give different kinds of pattern, and depends on the pattern you have to find the number. Everything depends on numerical pattern. We are just discussing based on numerical pattern. a numerical pattern based on natural number, okay, here in your class. So look at that. I'm going to next topic. Next topic is so finding the certain value based on the pattern. Okay, three types of pattern you have given in your book. Okay, first thing is that, for example, given here 2, 2, then 5, then 8, then 11, and so on. Okay, so look at that here. You have to find here fourth value you have given. So you have to find out, for example, what is the sixth term here? What is the sixth term, for example? Okay, and the 4 number you have given. So look at that, first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. You have to find the sixth one. Okay, so look at that here, 2 to 5 here 3, 5 to 8 here 3, here 3, here must be 3. Okay, so 11 3 is 14 here, this is 5th, 14 3 is 17 here, this is 6th. So this one is the 6th number. So these kinds of patterns if you will face, because these kinds of pattern given in your book. Okay, this is one type, and based on that, based on the different certain differences, you can find the next number after that next number. Okay, and next pattern is not a same every single time. Is difference is not same, difference is different kinds of numbers you have given. For example, this 2, first number is 2, second number is 5, and third number is, for example, third number is 9, and fourth number is 14. Okay, this fourth number given. So look at that here is 3, here is 4, here is 5. The next number will be 6, of course. So 19 and 6, it is 20, and the next will be 7. So 7 here 27. This way, these kinds of patterns also given in your book, and you have to learn that. Okay, all the time the pattern won't be same. Okay, so next pattern you have given is, for example, here is 2, here is 5, and here is 7, here is 12, here is 19, and this way you have to find the next number. So look at that here is, look at the 2 5, it is 7, 2 5, 2 plus 5, it is 7, and 5 plus 7, it is 12. Okay, 7 plus 12, it is 19. Okay, and 19 plus 12, it will be 11. Here we have 1 and 2 are 1, 3, so it will be 31. Okay, that is called these types of pattern has certain name. It is called Fibonacci series or Fibonacci pattern. Okay, it is called Fibonacci pattern. So you have to learn these kinds of pattern. Okay, these 3 types of patterns given in your book, and based on these types of patterns, maybe the teachers will ask the MCQ questions. Okay, I hope all of you understood. If you don't understand, you can just comment. Okay, and after that I will try to answer your comments. Okay, how you have to do it. Okay, and determining the sum of consecutive numbers. Okay, consecutive numbers. So you know what is consecutive numbers. Everything where depends on numerical pattern. Okay, so far everything depends on numerical pattern. So we are discussing about numerical pattern, based on all natural numbers. Okay, so now we are going to determining the sum of consecutive numbers. Okay, sum of consecutive numbers, sum of consecutive numbers, sum of consecutive numbers. So what kind of consecutive numbers? Natural numbers, sum of consecutive natural number. So first we are just determining, first is sum of the sum of the consecutive natural numbers, consecutive natural numbers, okay, consecutive natural numbers. So look at that here, we are just taking few values, not all values, okay, just 10 values we are taking. For example, the s equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, here is 10 values is okay, 10, I'm taking just only 10 values. Okay, so again we are taking s equals in just reverse way, 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So look at that here, if we make it just add first one and second one, here we will get 2s. Okay, so here 1 plus 10, and every single time 2 plus 9, okay, 3 plus 8, here 4 plus 7, okay, plus 5 plus 6, okay, 5 plus 6 plus 5, and 7 plus 4, okay, 8 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2, and 10 plus 1. Okay, this way you can take. Okay, so look at that here, we can write how many, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In total we have 10, and in every single term it is same, every single bracket it is same number. So we can write here 1 plus here is 11, here is also 11, here is also 11, here is also 11. So directly we can write 1 plus 10 into 10. Okay, do you understand how I have written 1 plus 10 into 10? Because here is 10 brackets, and in the every single bracket it is 11. So 1 plus 10 we can write 10. Okay, so here is 2s, so s equals 1 plus 10 into 10 divided by 2. So look at that here, we can write this 1 means first term, and 10 means the last term. Okay, and what does it mean? 10 means this total number of term, okay, and divided by 2, that is our formula. Okay, sum of n term. For example, here we did only for 10 terms. If we take n terms, for example, n term means 100 term, 200 term, 300 term, in general for n terms. So we can write here this formula, we can write this first term is 1 always, second last term is n. Okay, how many terms here? N terms here, divided by 2. So s means sum of natural numbers equals, we can write n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so therefore we can write sum of natural numbers equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, I hope all of you understood how to find the natural number, sum of natural numbers. Okay, sum of n natural numbers equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Very simple formula. If you remember it, I think easily you can find the value of 100, 200, 300. You can easily find the value of this one. Okay, so next one, I discussed about the sum of the consecutive natural numbers, and after that I'm going to find the I'm going to find the sum of second one. I am just going to find out sum of consecutive odd natural odd natural number. Okay, sum of consecutive odd natural numbers. So already we have find it out just only all natural numbers. Now we are going to find only odd natural number, not all numbers. So odd natural numbers is, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So we have to find out odd natural numbers. Okay, so look at that, how we can find the odd natural numbers. Okay, easily we can find the odd natural numbers. How we can find it out, odd natural numbers. Okay, so look at that. For example, if we take look at that here. If we here 1, 2, this one is first, this one is second. So first number is 1, second number is 3, third number is 5, and fourth number is, this one is fourth and this one is fifth. This one is fifth. So it is important thing is that, okay, what is the last number? First thing is that what is the last number and what is the position of the last number. That means that, for example, the last number is 201. So what is the position of the last number? That is very, very important, because without position, if you know the position, this last number is 100 term. So 100 term you can multiply it by 100. If you don't know what is the position of the last term, you cannot find out the sum of any numbers or sum of odd natural numbers. It's not possible. For example, if you given up to 201, for example, up to 201 you have given. So what is the position of 201? How to find it out? Look at that here. Just this one is 5. So how to find the position of the 5? So 5 plus 1 equals 6 divided by 2 equals third. So this one is third. Look at that, this one is third. How to find the 9th? So 9 plus 1 equals 10, equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, so 10 divided by equals 6 by the third, and 10 divided by this is fifth. Okay, the same way we can find the position of 201. So 201 plus 1 equals 202, and 202 divided by 2 equals 101. This is 101th term. So easily you can find the 101th term. This is 101th term. Okay, so we can apply the formula. We can apply the formula here. Okay, so we can apply the formula sum of odd natural. This is sum. Just you can identify S or S1 or S2, no problem. We can identify this one is S1, this one is S2. It's up to you. It's not a problem. Okay, so first number here 1, and last number is 201. Okay, and number of terms is 101, and divided by 2. Okay, so look at that here. We have taken this 201 number. If we take n number, or do you know how to identify the odd natural numbers? So normally, okay, after that I will tell you. Just let me finish this one. So look at that here, 201 and 202 into 101 divided by 2. Here is 101. Okay, so we can identify this one, 101 into 101. Okay, easily we can find the value of this odd natural number. So look at how to identify the odd number. What is the general form of odd natural number? So normally this is 2n is the even number, and 2n minus 1 is the general form of odd natural number. That is 2n minus 1. Okay, 2n minus 1 is the general term of odd natural number. So if we consider this one is the last number is 2n minus 1, this is general term of odd natural number. So how to find the sum of odd natural number? So look at that here. We can write. So look at that. And what is the position of 2n minus 1? We know that how to find the position. So 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So 2n minus 1 plus 1 is 2n. Okay, and divided by 2, it is nth. Okay, so 2n minus 1, it is nth number. So this is first one is 1, and 201 is 2n minus 1. Okay, and here is n divided by 2. So look at that. So 1 plus 2n minus 1. So we can write here 2n into n divided by 2. So 2 gone. Here is n square. So sum of n consecutive odd numbers, sum of n consecutive odd numbers equals to n square. So we can write 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and dot 2n minus 1 equal n square. Okay, so look at that. Here we have seen s equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here is n square. Okay, and same way we can find this even natural number. Same way we can find the even natural number. It's also very easy, not very difficult. Okay, I'm erasing this part. Okay, so now I'm going to find the odd natural, sum of odd natural numbers. Sum of odd natural numbers. Sum of even natural number. Even natural numbers. Okay, so we can write 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus and dot. This odd natural general form of odd natural numbers is 2n. So what is the position of this one? 2n divided by 2. It's very easy. This is the nth position. This is nth position. Okay, this is nth position, nth number. So we know that s equals first number plus last number is 2n, and in number of terms is n divided by 2. So look at that. Here we can take this 2 common here, 2, so 1 plus n, and here is n divided by 2 gone. So we can write n into n plus 1. So here these 3 terms we have find it out. This first thing is n natural number, n odd natural number, and on even natural number. So 3 types of numbers we have in the natural number. First, normal natural number, second is odd natural number, and third is even natural number. So odd natural number is n square, even natural number is n into n plus 1, and natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, I hope all of you understood very well. If you don't understand, just write in the comment. Okay, I will try to explain it again, or you can call me, you know me very well, so I will respond over phone or many other way, no problem. Okay, and after that I am going to, already I explained everything, determining the sum of consecutive natural numbers, and after that I will go to and determining the sum of odd natural number is also gone, and expression, and next one is express a number as the sum of two squares. Okay, this one number you have to express the sum of 2. Okay, you have to express sum of 2 sum of squares of 2 numbers. Okay, sum of squares of 2 numbers. So how to express sum of the squares of 2 numbers? Just let me explain it. How to explain. For example, I am taking one number, for example 185. Okay, how to express it? Sum of 2 numbers. So 185. So 185, the first thing is you have to do it. So you have to take this last number. Last number means this maximum number. For example, if we take this 13 square equals 169 is 14 square. What is it? 196, I think. Okay, so 14 square equals 196. Okay, 14 square. So 196 is more than 185. So we are not going to 14 square, because 14 square is upper than that number. So it's not possible to take 14 square. We have to take up to 13 square. So if we take 13 square, so 169. So after that 169, 185 here. If we subtract here, what is it? 185 minus 169. So here 15, here is 6, and here is 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1, so here is 16. So we can write 169 plus 16. That is very easy. So 13 square plus 4 square. Okay, this one way. In another way, after that, already we use 13 squares, and then after that you have to go to 12 square. 12 square is 144. So 185 minus 100, so it is here 1, here is 4. It's not possible. So after that you have to go to 11. 11 square is 11, 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So here is 4, here is 4. So it's also not possible. You have to go to next one. Next one is 11, 10. So it's also 10 means 100. It's also not possible. And after that you have to go to this 9. 9 means 81. So 81, if you go to 81, 185. So 81 is 100, 104. 81. If you go to 8 square, 64. So 64, 184 is 60, 185 is 64. So here is 1, here is 2, here is 1. So 1 to 1 is possible. 1 to 1, 1 to 1 and 64. Why it is not possible before? 1 to 1. Yeah, here is 64. So it has to be, so 64. It should be here. So we can write another way. Is 1 to 1 plus 64. So here 11 square plus 8 square. So two different way we just shown how to find the how to express any number in two different way. In the sum of squares of two numbers. Okay, in numbers we are expressing the sum of squares of two numbers. Okay, so this is the way you can find it out. This first thing, you have to take this maximum. For example, 185, that is why we have taken 13. Okay, for example, you have given another number I am taking from the activity. Okay, 325, or we can take 170. Okay, another number we have taken 170. So look at that, 170 is maximum 13. So 169 plus 1. So we can write 13 square plus 1 square. Okay, this is the one way. And another way we can write 170. Already we used 13, so we are not taking this one again. We are going to just 12. So 12, 170, and 12 square 144. So what is it? Here is 6. 1 gone. Here is 6 minus 4 is 2. So it's not possible. Again we are going to 11. So 11 is 1 to 1. 170 minus 1 to 1. Here is 9, and here is 6 minus 2 is 4 here. So 49. So this one is possible. So 1 to 1 plus 49. We can write 11 square plus 7 square this way. So two different way. Already I expressed this one. Okay, and after that I am going to this magic square, formation of magic square. Okay, formation of magic square. This is very interesting thing, magic square. Okay, let me explain what is magic square. Magic square. Why it is called magic square? First thing is that magic square. Okay, why it is called magic square? Square means this according to along the column, along the row, must with all kinds of along the row and along the column, this square should be same. Okay, and look at that here. This along the row and along the column must be same. Blocks, number of blocks should be same. Okay, we are taking just 1, 2, and have to take number of blocks. Look at that, here is along the row it is 3 blocks, along the vertical, along the horizontal it is 3 blocks, along the vertical it is also 3 blocks. That is why it is called square. Why it is called magic? Why it is called a magic square? Magic means this, it has one miracle. Magic. What is magic? Look like that, every single column, every single row, this you have to put the values, all numerical number. That way the sum of all numbers in every single blocks in the row is same, every single column also same, and diagonally also same. That is why it is called magic. So this magic is called 3 by 3, 3 into 3, or order 3 magic square. You can say order 3 magic square, or 3 by 3 magic square, or you can say this one is called 4 by 4 magic square. 4 by 4 magic square. Okay, 4 by 4 magic square. How to fill up this magic square? I am just showing you how to fill up this magic square. This is 4 by 4. This is 4 by 4 magic square. A magic number. Already I told you what is magic number. A magic number. This according to column, sum of all numbers should be same in every single column, and every single row should be same. So how to find the magic number? How you can find the magic number? This one is 4 by 4. This one is 3 by 3. So what is the magic number? The one formula I have, I am just telling you. Look at that here. This formula is n into n square plus 1 divided by 2. You can write in your book or in your copy anywhere. All the time you have to remember n into n square plus 1 divided by 2. If you put look at that here, 3 by 3. So if you the value of n here 3. Okay, so 3 square plus 1 divided by 2. So what is it? 3 square plus 1, it is 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1. Okay, divided by 2. So what is it? 3 into 10 divided by 2. So here is 5. Okay, so look at that, here is 15. So magic number is 15. All numbers should be according to column, according to row, according to diagonal, it must be same, sum of all numbers. Okay, and here 4, if you write here, this 4 into 4 square plus 1 divided by 2. So here 4 into 16 plus 1 17 and divided by 2. So 2 to gone, here is 2 into 17. So here is 34. Here is 34. Okay, 16 plus 1, yes, 17 into 2, it is 34. So 4 by 4 magic number is 34. If we take number 5 by 5, the magic number will be different. 6 by 6 magic number will be different. So there is the how to find the magic number. Okay, the questions will look like that. What is the magic number of order 3 matrix, or order 4 matrix, or order 6 matrix? So you have to find the magic number. Order 6 matrix should be 6 into 6 square plus 1. Okay, and divided by 2. I think easily you can find. You have to just apply this formula. You have to apply this formula, and easily you can find this magic number. How to fill up these kinds of all blocks and everything. Okay, how to fill up? Look at this odd number. This two different way. This odd number and even number. Odd number is comparatively little bit easy. Odd number all the time. For odd number 1 2 3 1 2 3, all the time you have to put 1 is here. Look at that 1, and you have to go this way. 1 is 2, so this out of that you have to go to just down. Here is 2. Okay, and you have to go this way. Here is 3, so it is out of that. You have to go to next one. This is 3, so you cannot go there. You have to go down. This 4 here, and there is 5, and there is 6. There is no way to go to there. You have to come back here. 7, and you are going this out. That is why you are here. This is 8, and you have to go this way. You are out here. This 9 is here. So I think all of you understood. Again I am doing here. Look at that. Again I am doing it a little bit bigger way. Okay, so just again I am doing 3 by 3 matrix, because someone maybe don't understand clearly. Okay, so all the time you have to put 1 here, and you have to go there. This 2, so 2 is not putting outside of the box, so you have to put 2 here, and you have to go here, and 3 comes here, and 4 comes here, because there is no way. That is why 4 here, 5 here, 6 here, and there is no way. So 7 here, and this 8 must be here, and this way. This 9 is not possible to outside, so 9 is here. So this way you can fill up. Okay, this way you can fill up this odd numbers box, odd number blocks or odd number box. Okay, I'm just look at that. I'm just fill upping this 5 by 5 or 7 by 7 or 9 by 9 or 11 by 11. It's not a problem. So look at that here, 3 by 3. I'm just doing here 5 by 5. I think all of you get the idea how you have to fill up everything, this box. Okay. So this one is 5 by 5. This one is 5 by 5. So here this one is 5 by 5. Okay, 5 by 5 magic square. So here is 5 by 5 magic square. So what is the magic number? So magic number, the formula is n into n square plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 5 by 5. We have to put the value of n is 5. This is 5 square plus 1 divided by 2. So what it is? 5 into 25 plus 1 divided by 2. So look at that here. 25 plus 1, we can write 5 into 26 divided by 2. So here is 13. So 5 into 13 equals 65. So magic number is 65. Okay, magic number is 65. Already I told you, for the odd numbers you have to put this, always 9 is here, this upper row, and this middle of the 1 2 3 4 5. So this one is the middle, the middle box you have to put 1. So 1, after that you have to go this 2 here, not possible, 2 is here, 3 is here, this 4 gone out, so it must come here. Okay, 5 there is no here, so 6 here, 7 here, 8 here, 9 is go here. Okay, so 10 it must come here, so there is no way, so it come back. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here is 16, here is 17, here is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So look at that, what nice way I filled it. Look at that, I start from here. Okay, and after that I went here. Okay, here to here and here, and after that you have to go here. Okay, this way, and there is no way, so you have to come back, and this way, and when you go there you have to come here. Okay, again here, and you have to again here. Okay, this way you have to fill all box and everything. So odd number is a little bit easy, even number is a little bit difficult, but I also showing you odd numbers, how to fill up these kinds of even numbers even. Okay, so look at the even numbers. I am going to even numbers. Within one class I am just trying to finish whole chapter, so that is why it is a little bit problematic. Okay, and it takes long time, I think. So let's see this 4 by 4, this magic square, magic square, magic square, order 4, order 4. Okay, magic square of order, magic square of order 4. So look at this 4. Okay, so 4 means this in one column contains 4 blocks, one row also contains same number of blocks. Okay, same number of blocks, same number of blocks. So look at that here, this one is 1, so 1 go, this last one, this 1 go here, and this one is 16, because all together we have 16 positions, because 16 blocks here. Okay, so what is the magic number? 4 n into n plus square plus 1 divided by 2. So what is the magic number? Magic number is 4 into 4 square plus 1 divided by 2. Here is 2, so 2 into 16 plus 1, 17. Here is 34. Okay, so look at that. Here is, so all together is 16 number up to 1 to 16. So 1 come here, 16 comes here. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 4 come here and here. Look at that, here is 16, 15, 14, there's 13, so 13 must come here. Okay, so 13, 14, 15, 16. So and after that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this 8, 9, 10, 11, this one is 12, 13, 14 and 15. No problem. We're just changing here these 4 blocks and these 4 blocks. So look at the here 6 come here 7 comes here. Okay, 6, 7, 8 must be here, 9 must be here. So that's it, very simple. Why is 10? Okay. So look at that 5, 6, 7, it's okay. 8, 9, 10. This one is 10, I think. 5, 6, 7, 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one is 10. So 10 must come here. 6, 7, 7 come here. Okay. So this is clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's okay, I think. Okay, everything is perfect. Look at that here. So 16 to 18, 18, 3, 21, 21 and 13 is 34. 34. All the way it should be same. Look at that here. 9 to 11, 11, 19, 19 and is 19, 19 here is 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18. Look at that 11, 11 and 7 is 11 and 7 is 18, 18 and 14 it is there any problem anywhere? I think here this 1, 2, 3 is 4, 4 is here, 5, this one is 6, 6 go here, 7, 7 here, 8, 9, 10, 10 go here, 10, this one is 11, so this one is 11, okay, this one is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, it's okay. So now it's look 2 is 13, 13 is 20, 20 is 34, okay. So all wise it should be same. 16 and 11 what it is? It's 27, 27 and 6 is 33 and 1 34. So here also 34, okay. And every single row column it should be this 16 5 is 21, 21 9 is 30 34. So every single column, every single row must be 34. So after that, so already we know the magic square of odd numbers, magic square of even numbers, and after that I am going to just geometric pattern, and after this geometric pattern is finished here. So different kinds of geometric pattern we have given already. I told you here the two types of patterns we have given. One is numerical pattern and one is design pattern. The geometric pattern is the design pattern. Different kinds of geometric patterns we have given. Okay, so now I am discussing geometric pattern. So look at that, different kinds of blocks you have given. Okay, and you have to just identify what is it actually, and what is the relations between pattern, what is the relations with blocks and numbers for a geometric pattern. Geometric pattern. Okay, so this is geometric pattern. Now I am discussing. Look at that, have for example one block here and another block is looking like that. Different kinds of you have given. This one, second one, so third one is looking like that. Okay, third one is so this is 1 1 2 1 2 3. So you are just you will ask this, find what is the fourth pattern. So for fourth block, so fourth block should be this here is 1 2 3. So fourth block should contain 4 1. So here the second one this one, third one this one, and fourth one should be this one. Okay, this is, so how many sticks here? Look at that, first one here is 3, second one 3 2 5, and third one it must be 7, and fourth one it must be 9. Look at that, these blocks with the blocks and number, this it has relation 3 5 7 9, and after that it will be I think 11. Okay, so it's very easy, and you have to find the general terms also, and based on general terms you can find the number of sticks or number of you can find all kinds of questions, answer of all kinds of questions and everything. Okay, I hope all of you understood. If I get chance, if you want more videos, I will make next class. I will take only problems, different kinds of MCQ, okay, based on these theories. Okay, thank you so much. I hope all of you will feels good. Okay, watch the video and just give me the feedback. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.